In order to speed up the process of development and ensure the proper implementation of various government-run schemes, the union ministers are visiting the Northeast region on a regular basis. A number of national-level events are also being organized in the region to create greater integration. We have a report.
Railway Minister Suresh Prabhu was in Guwahati to inaugurate the 60th National Level Railway Week Award function being held in the state for the very first time. He emphasized on the special focus being given to develop railway infrastructure in the Northeast and the possible employment opportunities for the educated youth. Around 151 officers and staff from all zonal railways were presented awards for their outstanding performance during the event.
The railway has a very clear-cut laid-out policy that despite the fact that railway is a all-India organization, we have deliberately created regional railway recruitment board to ensure that the local people, to an extent possible, to an extent desirable, to an extent necessary, will also get a share in the employment that we create. So this is a policy despite the fact that railway is an all-India organization. We are also trying to find out how we can provide even indirect employment. See, when we start construction of such a magnitude in northeastern region, which is unprecedented, which will also create huge job in construction, in transportation, in other areas of laying down tracks, etc. So this is a very good, great opportunity for many local people.
Power Minister Piyush Goyal was also in the city to attend the Conference of Power, Renewable Energy and Mines organized by the Ministries of Power, Coal and New and Renewable Energy, Government of India. The two-day conference, held for the first time outside Delhi, was attended by representatives from across the country. The Power Minister discussed the power scenario of the Northeast and highlighted the investments being made in the region.
We are also investing nearly 10,000 crores to expand the transmission line capacity and the sub-transmission system of the northeastern 8 states, which project Prime Minister Modi has cleared and launched in Tripura, I think only 2 months ago. That project is being expeditiously taken up so that power can reach the remote parts of Northeast. In terms of expanding renewable energy and thermal, I already mentioned earlier that we are taking that up on fast-track basis. For hydro, we will seek the support of the people of the Northeast to support hydro projects. It is only then that we can expand the more hydro projects.
The union ministers have been visiting the northeastern states to review development work of their respective departments in accordance with the Prime Minister's directive to visit the region on a regular basis to ensure speedy implementation of the centre's programs.